you want a Daddy Sterling drink? I'm making you a drink. A Daddy Sterling drink. The best. Hi guys. Hi y'all. Oh, okay. Let me pin in Hi Jesse, hey Debbie, come on in everybody. Drop a comment, say hi. Whew. We were planning on being on the road. Actually, we were planning on already being there by now, but you guys know life happens. So I'm gonna start cleaning up the kitchen. But oh my gosh, today's been a day. Hi Jessie, what have you been up to, girl? Hope everything's pretty good for you. Oh, but today has been a day. Liam went to the other house this morning. The air conditioner, like, he couldn't fix it, so we had to call an AC guy. But because we were leaving today, we were kind of like freaking out. Like, what do we do? Like, if the air conditioner is completely broken. So Liam drove all the way. So you can come get your drink, by the way, baby. He drove all the way to Home Depot to get 2 AC units, just in case. We could give these people like AC if they were completely broken, because we're trying to leave today. So the air conditioning people were originally supposed to come like right here between like 3 to 5. Luckily they came early, but then of course they needed a key to get in. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So Liam had to drive back out to get the key, and then from that we found out that the air conditioner is fixable, which is great, but literally something like we could have fixed, which sucks. So because you know nothing's worse than paying those damn AC people bills when like you're capable of doing it. We just didn't know what it was, nor had the time. So it's a nice big old bill to start the weekend off with, you know. Thank you, Kim. I know, at least you look cute today, so that's half the battle, right? So just trying to get some stuff done. But yeah, so I guess we're just gonna leave like closer to 5, so we'll clean up a little bit and get ready. But yeah, I was had like a headache already from today. I'm like, oh dear Lord, not today. All right, let me go grab a little water for myself. I have not had water hardly. Your girl needs water. But on the bright side, we are having a weekend special for y'all at Sugar Mama, where if you buy 4 or more candies or anything on the site, you're gonna get 30%